Hi, this is Robin Moses, and I'm here with Evil Client. I'm starting with Dazzle Dry Breathless 359, one of my favorite whites. It's a Reflects Pink and a handmade French manicure pink that I made in the Hey Robin playlist. Now I'm taking the white Breathless and going on the end like so, and ombreing like this, and we are going to do peacocks in Delft Blau.
Oh, I thought you were doing the other
I
one.
know. I
You just totally threw me off.
I threw you. I did it on purpose too. We were talking, and I was like, "Oh, I'm going to change up in the middle and see if she notices," and she didn't. She didn't. And like this, quickly making a little birdie. Oi, Evil Client. Isn't it, darling?
I'm sure it will be.
It is.
I can't see it.
Oh, you're right. Sorry. Everybody tells me that. I should give you the
camera.
Yeah, the camera. Okay, so there's that. Now, I'm going to make the little streamy lines of the bird. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, now its little feathers are in. With the most tightest line ever, I'm just going to make little tiny little lines. It's raining like crazy, huh? Is it?
I think it is because...
Yeah, I hear it.
I thought that was the dogs at first going.
Me too.
Like, I thought they were like...
Nope.
Drooling or something.
Me too.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain like this till Sunday.
Ugh.
But we need the rain.
We do.
We haven't had as much as we normally do.
It'll make the rivers fun for this winter summer.
Mm-hmm. The mountains are getting snow, but we're getting rain. Which is good for the ski season.
Because we're avid skiers.
Yeah. Well, somebody is out there.
Don't make me laugh, okay? I would kill myself. Oh Lord. Okay, so there's that. There's that.
Well, my nephew is a avid snowboarder, so I have to think about things like that.
Gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm going to dot, dot, dot. Oh my God, this darling. Okay, so now we're going to go in here. Shut up. It is darling.
Cracks me up when you talk to yourself like that.
And I know I'm in my own world of peacocks and Delft Blau and the carpenters.
Oh, don't even start with that.
That was just for you. Okay. And I'm just gonna do in. This is actually just ad-libbing. But do you see because of the 3-nail tutorial, I didn't really pay attention to how I put the nail polish on and you have bumps? Don't. I'm paying for it now.
I can't tell.
I know. You
Yeah,
will.
me, I'm going blind.
You will, though, if you saw it. If I let you leave here with these nails, you would totally
go nuts.
Get crazy and come and call me and meet me in the parking lot for me to file it down. Hey, get your ass back over here. We have a business on. So,
and whose fault would that be that I'm like that?
My fault, Evil Client. My OCD has gotten to you. Okay, here we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. And, isn't that pretty? So, there's that. And I will top coat and show you the end result. Okay, and here is the finished result of the Delft Blau Peacock. Now, I hope you guys like this and learned a lot. If you still can't show me your work at my fan page, please know that I'm working to get another one up and running. I don't know if I'm going to be downloading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but I'm certainly going to try. Please like this video, and I will keep uploading and teaching. And thank you so much for all you're doing to help share my fan pages and in my YouTube page. It's really been wonderful, and I just want to say thank you. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, those are so cute. Look at that up close. Too cute. Really pretty. Love them. Okay, bye guys.